Hey everyone, I'm Ashwath and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about machine learning. I'll just give an example before we get into the video. One example where machine learning is used is in Google Lens. It's an app where if you show it some object, it will recognize it and redirect it to a Google search of it. So that's one great example. So now let's get into the video. Demystifying machine learning, the new technology. Machine learning is essentially trying to create a system which can learn and adapt through a data set without a person having to give it instructions. I mentioned the term data set, but what does it mean? A data set is basically a set of data which is used to train a computer system. So the next logical question to ask is, how does it work? Machine learning works through a series of nodes, and these nodes are called neurons. These neurons, they function the same as the neurons in our brain. The neurons, which I talked about, when they are interconnected with each other, they create something called a neural network. So what is a neural network? By definition, a neural network is a computer system modeled on the human brain and nervous system. So, in a way, you can say that machine learning is trying to create a human brain, but instead for a computer. Coming back, these neurons essentially filter data, and they keep filtering until an answer comes back. Say we take an example, we have an image of a dog and a cat, and we want to identify the two using machine learning, obviously. So how would a machine learning algorithm come to the answer? So what would happen is there would be a neural network, which I talked about, such as you may have 5 neurons as one layer, then 4 neurons as the next, and 2 as the last. Now I just talked about layers as well. These layers are essentially columns of neurons because neurons aren't scattered. They're placed in an organized manner in columns, and each one has a link to each neuron in the next layer. So what does this mean? So let's say we take an image of a dog and we put it into the machine learning algorithm. What happens is that the neurons compare the data which they have, and in case the image matches a particular feature which that neuron had to look out for, it will light up once it recognizes it. Once it lights up, which is a Boolean value, it can either light up or light off, which is 0, which is light off, and 1, which is light on. This, as a result, makes that neuron which lighted up pass on the data to the next layer, which is all the other neurons in the next layer. Now this one repeats the exact same process as the last one. Filter the data, find one feature which matches, and gets all of this data to the final 2 neurons, and the final 2 are decision makers. Is it a dog or is it a cat? And depending on the way that it went, such as if it went like this probably, from the first neuron to the last neuron, it's a dog. And that's how a machine learning algorithm comes to its particular answer. So, in summary, a machine learning algorithm uses neurons. These neurons are used to filter data. The neurons only have 2 values, 0 or 1. And if it's 0, it doesn't light up, and 1, it lights up. And the final point is, whenever these neurons link together in a large network, it's called a neural network. And these neural networks are what is used in image recognition, voice recognition, etc. So that is all for this video. I hope you found it to be informational. If you did, consider sharing and liking this video. Over here, where near my face, you will see a subscribe icon. Over there, you can subscribe to my channel to be notified of new uploads. Over here, you will see my latest What Is upload, which is a blockchain one. And over here, you will see a YouTube video that YouTube recommends for you. So once again, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.